Ruth Langsford shares her 6-ingredient comfort food recipe for chilly autumn nights. Ruth Langsford has revealed her go-to recipe for a hearty comfort food that's perfect for the cooler autumn evenings. The Loose Women panelist said it not only tastes delicious but also fills her house with an incredible aroma and requires just 6 key ingredients. In an Instagram post, Ruth said, "Autumn is here, and I love the cozy atmosphere and the vibrant colors. I'm in the mood for a stew and a casserole, and that's exactly what I'm preparing today." The 65-year-old television personality showcased the ingredients she used. Lamb, a mix of leg and shoulder, diced. Carrots, chunky but sliced. Leeks, chunky but sliced. Potatoes, chopped. Lamb stock, Ruth prefers no stock pots. Flour seasoned with salt and pepper. Ruth's cooking process began with coating the diced lamb in seasoned flour. She then browned the lamb in batches in a heated pan. While the lamb was browning, she cooked the leeks and carrots in the same pot. After a few minutes, she added the lamb back to the pot along with the potatoes and stock. Instead of boiling, Ruth suggested a gentle simmer, then transferring everything to the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, followed by a slow cook for about 1 hour and 45 minutes. She described her dish as a meal-in-one, perfect for the dark autumn evenings. "It fills the house with the most amazing smell and is just perfect for these dark autumn evenings," she wrote. Enjoy. The recipe was met with praise from fans and celebrity friends. Katie Piper, a fellow Loose Women star, commented, "Yum." Lucy Alexander, known for her role on Homes Under the Hammer, expressed her excitement, saying, "Love the talk and can't wait for supper, see you soon."